In a previous video, I forged out a feather Damascus billet, and then I forged out a couple blades from that billet, this one being a drop point. Now it's time to make the guard and finish the handle and all the work that's involved with that. I've got a piece of material here from that billet to make the guard from. First thing I'm gonna do is get it squared up, get it milled out, and get it fit. All right, we got the guard fit up pretty nicely, but I went ahead and put it here in my state-of-the-art engraving vise. So what I want to do is where I marked it with the hot fit, I'm going to go ahead and take a high-speed burr and trim that out a little bit where it'll set in that shoulder a little better. Clean it up. Just makes a nicer looking fit. And of course I'm going to use my microscope to see what I'm doing, because it's very small, the burr is very small, and I don't want to get out of the line. So we're going to get it done and go from there. All right, now that we got our guard and our spacers all cut and fit, it is time to work on the handle, and I'll be using this piece of sandbar stag. First thing I want to do is drill it out, because before I do anything else, I want to get this up there, take a look at the shape, make sure I don't need to bend the tang and that kind of stuff. And then I'll start back on the guard and start working toward our handle material. But I want to take a look at where I may need to cut it and angle this in here and get it square. A lot to do there, but I want to go ahead and get it cut, and so I can fit it up, because I'll be putting on a Damascus pommel on here, which is going to be made from this twist bar. And by the way, I made a mistake earlier. The guard is also twist. It's not from the same feather billet. It is some twist bar. Right now we're going to get this thing in the vise and get it drilled out. All right, looks like we got a good fit up. All the parts are done. Now the fun part, all the sculpting and everything that has to be done. But it's a pretty good job to get a pommel square fit to a piece of antler. You really got to get everything straight and square. So, but one thing I did do, because I didn't like, I changed out this stag. This is the original piece. But this morning, I got to looking at it, and I did not like the shape of it. I like the curve better. I'll use that on something else, but this looks much better, and it'll get the fit I want here at the spacers a little better too. So a little more diameter here. And it's really hard to source good, clean, round, straight stag tapers like this. I like to hand pick them. That's why I like to go to Blade Show the most, so I can hand pick handle material. Because if you order them, you never know what you're going to get. They'll reach in a pile, some clerk, grab something, throw it in the box, and anyway, now we're going to work on the guard. I'm going to get the sculpting done and work my way back through the spacers to the pommel. And then we'll be ready for some finer finish work and get this thing done. Well, that's enough of this. I want to thank you for watching, and I want to thank my patrons, and we're going to see you on the next one. Now, here's some shots.